Ever wonder if you could use olive oil instead of castor oil to do a castor oil pack? At Roland Walker 5909 wondered the same thing, commenting, I guess this will work as well with olive oil after watching this video, where I commented back, yes, but no. And here's why. You've heard about the magic of castor oil packs, probably experienced it for yourself. And if not, what in the green eggs and ham are you waiting on? You also know that olive oil has an impressive health profile. And I'm not just talking about salad. I can see how easy it would be to arrive at the conclusion that castor oil and olive oil could provide the same benefits given how similar they appear to be in the fact that they are oils and they're healthy, but can they be used interchangeably? So I consulted with my Ayurvedic practitioner on this matter, and I think you are going to want to hear what that conversation revealed. There was talk about viscosity, properties, and traditional use of olive oil versus castor oil, so let's get into it. Consider the viscosity. Olive oil, with its delicate and smooth texture, makes it lighter in weight, and that impacts its ability to penetrate deep if applied topically. Castor oil has a much more pronounced thickness than olive oil. The thickness of castor oil allows it to penetrate deeper into the skin and tissues, where it has the ability to increase circulation, improve lymphatic flow, calm IBS, something I am very appreciative of, reduce swelling, inflammation, shrink cysts. It's reported to help with growth and fibroids. Castor oil, that resume is kind of top tier, but let's keep going. The thickness of the oil aids in its therapeutic magic, so keep that in mind. What about the properties? What makes castor oil and olive oil different? Does that difference impact their effectiveness if used in pack form? Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat that aids in reducing cholesterol levels in the blood, and it has antioxidant properties that scavenge for free radicals and damage caused by oxidation. So as you can see, olive oil is pretty impressive, right? So castor oil is most known for being high in rhinolacinic acid, I think I'm saying that right, flavonoids, and vitamin E for starters. Rhinolacinic acid, the main fatty acid in castor oil, has anti-inflammatory and pain-reducing powers to its credit. And that all feels like beautiful music to my IBS pain-filled belly. Traditionally, castor oil has been used by natural healing systems ranging from traditional Chinese medicine to Ayurvedic medicine with good helpful outcomes. I came to know about castor oil and castor oil packs when I was under the care of and using the application of Ayurveda for my own healing and weight loss. I had developed a really massive tumor that needed to be removed, and the medication, the procedures, all of it, just really wreaked havoc on my body. And in order to get my system back in check, castor oil packs came into my life, and I have not turned away. And it's been 15 years now that I have been doing this. It is a staple in my day-to-day, night-to-night activity. Beneficial in its own rights, olive oil does not quite have the same historical use or recognition as castor oil application when it comes to this particular thing. But olive oil is still really impressive when it comes to moisturizing and its skin hydrating abilities. And those antioxidants I mentioned earlier, olive oil is reported to prevent premature aging. Hello. And when used as a massage oil, is great for relaxation. Castor oil on its own is not great for massaging. It's way too sticky. But if you're feeling adventurous and you want to apply castor oil over your entire body in the form of a massage, I would definitely recommend adding a carrier oil like jojoba oil or olive oil to it to make it more smooth and easier to maneuver. Olive oil, not quite as targeted or intense as castor oil in its use. For example, olive oil does not give you that laxative, bloat reducing, hormone shuttling effect castor oil has when you're taking it internally or applying it topically. If you take enough olive oil internally, yeah, you might get some of that, but to apply it topically, I don't know. Olive oil is applied topically. I wasn't quite sure if it would have the same belly, liver specific effect castor oil has when used as a castor oil pack. And guess what? My notion was correct. My practitioner affirmed that thinking, that they are not quite the same when it comes in that regard. But then you ask the question, question. So it made me wonder, why would you not want to use castor oil? And I'm thinking perhaps maybe there's an allergy to it, or you don't have access to it, but you still want the benefit. So I would say, don't let that stop you from trying this wonderful healing practice, the castor oil pack. Go ahead, give it a try with the olive oil, get some of the benefits that it does have, and or consider a ginger compress. Give that a whirl. Something my practitioner said would be on par with using castor oil for a castor oil pack.